All right, guys, we got some Brookshire Brothers 1921 bacon. We're going to fry up a different way. We're going to fry it in a pot. Stay tuned. Okay, we're going to cut it in half. And then two halves again. Okay, we're going to throw all this bacon in the pot on high heat. Then we're going to cover it and cook it, stirring every couple minutes. Get it all in here. and you got to separate it all too. You can't leave it stuck together. I seen this on Dr. Ken Berry's wife's site. He was cooking bacon this way. So I decided to try it. Call it bacon chips. I'm going to get my beautiful wife to stir it real quick. I still got a lot of bacon to throw in here. Smelly good. I've never had this brand of bacon. Hopefully it's good. Almost done. That's all the bacon. Let's get Brandy to stir it real quick and put the lid on it. So we cooked it this way for about probably 20 minutes, then turn the fire down. But you keep stirring every couple minutes. And this is a ceramic coated pot. I wouldn't advise to put it in a Teflon pot. You might be eating Teflon. Then we'll save the bacon for cooking. So we'll bring y'all back here in a moment. Alright guys, it's been about 10-15 minutes. We're still cooking and stirring. And it sure smells good. Look at that. We're still on high heat, so nothing's burning. Okay, guys, it's starting to brown up. Now's the time to turn the heat down a little bit. And don't forget to keep stirring. I got it on about medium heat. When I said high heat earlier, not full-fledged high heat, just almost high heat. I guess you'd call it a medium high. Put the lid back on, let her cook a little bit longer. Yeah, guys, I think it's ready to take out of the pot, depending on how you like it. Crispy or medium. I think this is going to be a little crispy. Get it off the fire. All right. Had a lot of bacon shrinks down to nothing, don't it? Look at that, look at that. Look at all of this saved oil here. I'll just use a metal strainer when I pour that into my jar, but you gotta let it cool first before you put it in the jar. See, we got lots of bacon grease here. I'm gonna let that cool before I get a bite. All right, time for that bite. Well, that worked pretty darn good. Well, I'll call it a success. So, y'all have a great day, great Sunday, and we'll see you on the next video.